Should you renovate before selling your home? A lot of home sellers in Metro Vancouver area assumes the answer is yes. They think they need to update the kitchen, redo the bathroom, or take on a long list of projects before putting the home on the market. But the honest answer is this: not every renovation is worth the cost. In many cases, doing too much can actually work against you. I recently spoke to a homeowner who was ready to spend a large amount renovating before selling. But after reviewing the home, it was clear they did not need a full remodel. A few smart upgrades and some basic repairs were enough to make the property show well and feel move-in ready. That is a situation many sellers find themselves in. They assume more work will lead automatically for a better result. But that is not always how it plays out. The real question is not whether you should renovate. It is which improvements, if any, will actually help sell faster and for more money. Just because you spend money does not mean buyers will pay more for the home. Some upgrades only return part of the cost, especially if the finishes are too personal or more high-end than what the neighborhood supports. If there are signs of deferred maintenance, buyers do notice. Things like damaged flooring, chipped paint, old fixtures, plumbing issues, or roofing concerns can make buyers hesitate. Taking care of those issues often matters more than doing a full renovation. These are the two most important spaces for the buyers, but that does not mean you need to gut them. Small improvements like new hardware, updated lighting, fresh paint, refinished cabinets, or new mirrors can make a big difference without the cost of a complete renovation. Every renovation comes with a timeline, a budget, and some level of uncertainty. Costs can go up, delays can happen, market conditions can change while the work is being done. Sometimes it makes more sense to sell sooner rather than spend weeks or months preparing a home that may not need that much work. A clean, well-maintained, properly priced home will actually attract more serious attention than a heavily renovated home that is priced too high. Decluttering, staging, deep cleaning, and a strong pricing strategy often have a bigger impact than the sellers expect. The goal is not to renovate for the sake of renovating. The goal is to make smart decisions that help your home to sell faster and for the best possible price. In Metro Vancouver area, the right strategy is usually a mix of necessary repairs, simple cosmetic improvements, and a strong market positioning. If you are thinking about selling and wondering what is exactly worth fixing, reach out. I can help you look at your home objectively and decide where to invest, where to hold back, and how to prepare your home for the market without wasting time and money. I'm Prab Dhoot, and I'll see you in the next video.